like one of the things that we at Multiply in hiring and especially engineering we do is that we have our philosophies that we don't believe that you can understand a person in an hour or a 30-minute conversation, right? We start our philosophy with that to know that to understand. So within a course of 4 hours, 3 hours, where you sit together, with a person, the best you could do is make sure that they're in the best sort of mindset and look for very specific signals that you are going after. And this is how we design all of our interviews. And those could be technical interviews, and in fact, most of our interviews are technical interviews. And the interviewer will put down like very few specific signals that they're looking for to derive out of the interview or the conversation, and that's how they work. And how we do the sort of the soft assessment is across all interviews, and we have a defined set of sort of expectations that we want to look for, which is our cultural tenets. uh, and we specifically get our interviewers to look for these cultural tenets being showcased in actual examples, in the past experiences, in specific incidences, and also potentially during the conversation. And this is something like every interview. So we have, for example, for a junior or sort of a mid-level engineer, we will have 3 rounds, which are all 3 technical. But during these technical rounds, for example, during the pair coding round, uh, there is a lot of conversation and collaboration that needs to happen, and this is a massive indicator. Like, there's a lot of signals about how you collaborate, how do you communicate, how do you feel about taking input, how do you feel about sort of contrasting opinion. So it gives a lot of opportunities to test the soft aspects, or have those moments to be able to identify the signals. So we use pretty much all of the rounds with and we use our cultural tenants and use the signals to be able to identify these things.